Okay, I've got a 2002 Mercedes CLK 320, and it's got a fan control issue. I was able to pop this off easily with a screwdriver, and what makes these fan controls not work anymore is that, I'm not sure this thing's focusing right, but anyway, there's a little tab that pushes right there. There's a little dot back there, I don't know if you can see it, but that dot, when depressed, it accelerates the fan, and then if you depress on this side, this same little dot behind this plastic piece, it slows the fan down. And there used to be a tab in here, and I saw it fall right before I pulled this button off, a little plastic tab. So I'm going to re-glue a piece of plastic to where it touches that, put a piece on both sides, and hopefully I can solve my fan control issue, which right now it just flops back and forth. It doesn't do anything. So I'm going to give that a shot. This is a piece of plastic that I have decided to use, and I just cut it off the top of a little plastic container box. Anyway, I put a little bit of a curve on it because this right here has a little bit of a curve outward to it. So I'm going to try to glue this in place with some super glue and see what happens. Okay, I've got the pieces glued in place, and the one on this side I did test it out because I glued it first, and it is causing the fan speed to increase when I press it. So I'm going to let this other side dry, and I'm hoping that I've saved myself about $800 instead of replacing this whole unit, just fixing these buttons, which I've heard these buttons go out quite often on this model. Okay, I've got my buttons to where I think they've dried. Well, plastic inserts that are glued in have dried. And let's give this a tap. Okay, increase. That side there is still wet. My finger almost stuck to it. So I snapped the cover piece back on. The other side the glue finally dried, and I can increase the volume now, and I can decrease it as well. So just putting those little plastic pieces in there and gluing them with super glue actually fixed my problem. Alright, hope this helps you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.